Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Fetal hiccups feel like rhythmic twitching, but doctors don't count them as baby movements when monitoring health. They focus on stronger, varied actions like kicks and rolls. Tracking these helps confirm the baby is developing well. Hiccups are a normal reflex, not an indicator of movement strength or well-being.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.